Hello folks, it's Kevin again doing a product review for GearBest.com. Today I got it's kind of like a motion detector doorbell sort of type thing, so you know if somebody's on your property or on your front porch. So I just now cut the package open. We're going to see what's in the box. It's called Electro Guard Watch. It's a new product. Detects and sends a signal from 400 feet away. So I'm sure this is going to be just what I need. Here's the instructions. And they look fairly easy to read from other things that I have gotten. But anyway, let's see what's in here. It looks like some holders for the sensors. Okay, very well built. Here we got what appears to be the indoor ringer, and it also lights up when you when somebody's on your front porch or coming up your driveway. And then we have not one but two sensors, so that's a plus right there. They look like this, wrapped, packaged very nicely. And here's the second one. So you got two sensors and you got the receiver, so you'll know when somebody's on your front porch. I'm going to try these out, and I'm sure it's going to work great. And I'm glad I paid for this and bought it at GearBest.com.